Morning guys, it's Wes with Highline Car Care. Today we've got a Chevy Suburban instrument cluster with a couple gauges that are not functioning, the speedometer in particular. But today we're going to go ahead and replace the stepper motors on all 6 of these gauges. These would be the stepper motors that we're going to replace. So let's get in there. First step is going to be to take the front of this instrument cluster off. Easier said than done sometimes. Got some plastic tabs here that are giving me a hard time. I'm going to try not to break them. There we go. All right. Set this aside. Okay, now the important part here is we want to mark where these needles are sitting before we remove them. So we'll just push them all the way down to their resting positions. We're going to take some masking tape. Now we're going to mark where these needles are resting on the masking tape. This is important so that your gauges point the direction they're supposed to point when we're done. Alright, got that marked. Now we're going to carefully remove these needles. Alright, all 6 needles are off. Now we're going to flip this over and we're going to remove the backing. Same as the front. Maybe a little bit easier. Alright. Now we are left with the circuit board. And we're going to replace all 6 of these stepper motors. So this is the fun part. We need to remove the solder from each stepper motor. Has 4 solder joints. It's going to require a soldering iron and a solder sucker. This actually sucks the solder out of the joints here once it gets hot. Should be enough. Okay, so now we've removed the defective stepper motor. Of course, we're going to put a new one in, solder it back on there. We're going to do this with all 6 of the stepper motors, and we'll put it back together in the reverse of disassembly. That's it, guys. Hope this helps. If you want to try it yourself, or if you'd like to have us do it, it's definitely something you can swing by the shop or ship us your instrument cluster. That's Highline Car Care, highlinecarcare.com. Thank you.